Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating straight to Security and Privacy, then Google Play System Update. This is the only authorized path. Once there, tap Check for Update and let the device query Google's servers. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi network, the phone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in, and you have a few hundred megabytes free so the download won't fail. This prevents interruptions that could stall the update process. Once the update appears, tap Download and allow the package to transfer. The installer may download in the background, so avoid killing the Settings app or toggling airplane mode. You'll see a download progress indicator, monitor it, and keep the device on Wi-Fi to avoid cellular charges. When download completes, choose Install and accept any prompts. The system will schedule a reboot. Make sure you reboot promptly when prompted, so the Play System components can be applied at boot, where the update finalizes. After the device restarts, return to Google Play System Update to confirm the new version is listed. This verifies success. If the update stalls or never appears, reboot and attempt the process again. You can also clear cache for Google Play Services and Google Play Store in App Settings and retry. If clearing cache and reboots fail, make sure date and time are set automatically, and then contact your device maker's support. Sometimes carrier or vendor restrictions require an OEM side fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.